Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. Now, I just wanted to take a quick sec to remind you guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell for new video notifications. And like the videos if you guys like the content I'm providing. And always comment on the videos. I love hearing what you guys have to say. Guys, before I start the video, I just wanted to apologize. There were a few times in the video where I said resistance when I meant support. I just wanted to apologize about that. I have marked it in text in the video, and I have pop-up text bubbles to denote the parts where I messed up. So just again, sorry guys, hope you enjoy the video. So there are a lot of people talking about this right now. You know, as we see the crypto markets go lower, people are wondering, could Ripple XRP break resistance and go even lower than where it sits today? Now, right now, we're seeing it at 43 cents roughly. And guys, as you can see, it's already broken resistance here. This is what's called a resistance level. For all you technical analysis people, you probably know what that is. However, I know there are a lot of people that watch this channel that don't really understand technical analysis that much, and that's why I try to keep it pretty simple. Resistance is basically, so you have support and resistance levels on charts, and resistance levels are basically where we see lower candlesticks, or rather candlesticks that are shorter, that are both green and red, and you know they have shorter tails and shorter wicks, shorter bodies, and they don't, it basically indicates an evening out of buyers and sellers. So the buyers and sellers are roughly equal, you know, there's enough supply to meet demand and vice versa. And it's basically what we see. So a support level, for example, is a level after a downtrend, and we see some basing right before an uptrend. So it's kind of where there's support, buyers and sellers are equal, and we see this before an uptrend, okay? So we see this before an uptrend. So guys, here's a support level right here on this is an XRP chart, on the daily time frame. And you know what happens generally is you know, we'll go up and down and up and down, and what will happen is we'll bounce off resistance, okay? And so, or rather support. So you know, if XRP comes within this zone, we'll see another uptrend, you know, and depending on what happens, you know, if the bullish run continues, we'll continue to see an uptrend going further higher. But then, you know, once buyers and sellers become equal, we see an evening out, and you know there might be some a languishing trend, or the trend may continue up. And so we talk about these support levels, and as we can see, this support level, everybody talks about when the support level is broken, we can see the trend go further down, and then we hit new lows. Now, what that means is, so this support level here, I kind of roughly gauged it here in this rectangle. It really kind of goes down to here because, you know, it kind of covers this basing area after a downtrend right before another uptrend. And so this support level here, guys, as we can see, is about 45 cents to 55 cents. So, you know, we saw XRP hovering within that mark, and then we broke the 45 cents. So it's gone lower to 45 cents. Right now we're at 43 cents, okay? And the theory is that the more times we bounce off support, so the more times it goes da-doom, 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 the more likely we are to go lower. So guys, as you can see, after the big bull run, you know, we've kind of bounced, you know, off support here, it went up, then we kind of recalibrated, came down in here, created a new support level, or rather this is a support level here, okay? This support level was a little, it was before it was before the support level after that, obviously. So this support level was roughly 57 cents to 81 cents, and we saw a trend up. Then, you know, we came back down into support, but we made new lows, okay? And then after we made these new lows, we came back up again, okay? And then we were hovering in this range once again. So, you know, over the last few weeks, we were hovering in this range here, but then as you can see, guys, we made new lows. So now we're below this support level. And so what does that mean? What does that mean? The question is, where is the next support level, and where do we think it'll go next? Well, you know, if we look at the chart historically, unfortunately, I know you guys probably won't want to hear this, but the next support level is roughly between 19 cents and 28 cents, okay? So that was the level, as you can see here, guys, right before the massive bullish trend of late 2017, early 2018, we had support, and basically XRP was basing, I could really zoom in on this and you could see micro support levels within support levels, but right now we're just looking at it on a daily chart. And as you can see, there was support here. It was basing between 19 cents and what did I say here, 27, 28 cents before a huge bull run up. Then it kind of came down, bounced again. And so now we're here. So we've come lower than this level. So what's the next level we're going to hit? Realistically, we're going to hit a level of between 19 cents and 28 cents. That is the next support level to watch for. Now, guys, if it reaches that zone, it's a great time to buy always, anytime XRP reaches lower amounts. So you guys tell me what you think. What do you think of support and resistance levels? Do you think it's all hogwash, or do you think there's some merit to some technical analysis? Let me know in the comments, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Love to hear what you have to say. Always comment. See you in the next video, guys.